Right, come on camera, I should be nearly done now. You know, I gutted when my friend did something I saw my Chinese phone before. I was gutted. I was completely gutted when that happened. I didn't think much to start with, but then I suddenly realised I didn't pay much attention to how much detail that thing had. Even close as I've got, you know. Even muddlers have their moments, even someone like me have their moments of something doesn't go quite to plan and things just get in the way of things. Here comes the 25. She's going slowly, but she hasn't run in a while. But you know, a loco like her is quite old. I had her since 2015, so you know, I had her for quite a number of years. So to be a man in mind, she's quite old. So she's not. She's doing reasonably well for an age like her. She's still holding it out. You can do it. She used the zones in real life. I think top speed's about 70 miles an hour on the 25, so it could be 85, but I'm not sure. She can go much faster. I just don't want her to go faster. I just don't feel the need to. And there's a good reason for that, because in real life, you know, they generally don't go above 60, I think, because they're often putting freights, cargo, sometimes, maybe occasionally pushing out trains, but not very often, not as often as some of the others. And it's quite nice to put out from the older trains, just getting them up and running again. And these 3 carriages are the oldest ones I got. I had them since Novagissy, so yeah, the Swallow coaches liveries, the Swallow coaches I put in by the Class 25 is very old. I had the Swallow coach since the Class 21 set, which dated back from when I lived in Novagissy. And the Swallow, the Intercity coach in the back, in BR blue and white. Again, that's when I lived in Novagissy. These 3 carriages especially are from back then, even before I started doing YouTube, so they're holding out for many years. Hopefully I'll clean them up and I'll get them properly liveries as they should be, instead of completely going skew with them all. I'm hoping this will be about 10-minute mark, or maybe 15 minutes. I don't want to spend too much more time out here, to be honest, because it is heading more to 9 o'clock and I haven't even got it. If it gets to that mark, then I'll stop, because I think, yeah, it's 8:44 and I'm going to be finishing about 5 to 9, so Pardon me. He's really pushing it. Really, really pushing it. So, yeah, the 10-minute mark, so I just have to leave that for it tonight. So I can finish it. And tonight's there. But, so full day tomorrow. Apart from the 21st day when I'm exercising. But the rest of the day, actually the rest of the day, I can my goal and the other bits and pieces too, and just enjoy the day as it comes really. Hopefully now I get enough piece of my sleep as well. I will make a lot of difference too. I am yawning, so hopefully with the exercise I had today, hopefully I get a decent amount of sleep. Right, we're only 5.5 minutes, but this one was been much longer. I just started recording just before 8, so 7:50 I started, so I should finish very soon, hopefully. Very, very soon. Because I can't leave anymore. I'm going to have to soon, guys. It's getting too late. Well, it does start at 6 minutes. Right. I'll tell you what guys, because it's nearly 9 o'clock, got the charge or got the coach? No, it's the forming coach. I'll tell you what guys, being it's nearly 9 o'clock in the evening, I am going to go indoors, alright? So, I hope you enjoyed your evening, enjoyed watching my train videos, and I hope you enjoyed your day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow evening, a much earlier time. Have a great evening, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.